How to use Spotify AI DJ. For disclaimer purpose, this feature is only available for premium users, so subscription is actually needed. So in order for you to actually use this Spotify feature, right here is the homepage of my Spotify app. Now the first step you need to take in order to start using it is to click on music. You can see the music option at the top corner of the screen. So you need to click on music like this, then scroll gently downwards like this, and you're going to be able to see the DJ icon right here. You can see that right here. So in order for you to actually use it, you need to click on it like this. So this is what is actually going to appear as. You can easily start playing music using the AI DJ by clicking on next. You can see that right here. So when you click on next like this, it is actually going to start playing the music. You can easily click on next to change the music. In order for you to actually change the whole music, now if you are not feeling the music, you can easily click on this DJ icon right here at the bottom of the screen as well, and the music is going to be changed entirely like this. You can click on next in order to change the song. So in order for you to actually tell the AI the music you want to actually find, you can actually tap and hold on that icon, and you'll be able to use your voice note to tell the AI the type of music you want it to play for you. So this is how simple it is to use the Spotify AI DJ feature. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.